Hello, students. Today we are going to study chapter 15 Great Men of Arya Samaj. Okay, before getting into the lesson, let us understand what is Shivaratri. How many of you know Shivaratri? Okay, do you know Lord Shiva? Have you seen this linga in any temples? Yes. So, this is no the linga, Shiva linga, which we pray in Shiva temples. Mahashivaratri is a Hindu festival. This is Lord Shiva. Okay, so during Mahashivaratri, no, it is a Hindu festival celebrated every year in the honor of God Shiva. The name also refers to the night when Lord Shiva performs the heavenly dance. So it is said that during Mahashivaratri night, Lord Shiva will be very happy and he dances and gives whatever we want. So usually what the devotees do, the devotees do fasting. They do fasting. Fasting means what? Fasting, see here, fasting means they will not eat any food. They will not eat any food, and they will worship lingam. They will worship lingam. Okay, so let's get back to the lesson. So, you all understood what is Shivaratri? To know more about what is Shivaratri, I want you all to ask your parents. What is Shivaratri? What you do during Shivaratri? Okay, right. So, in this chapter, Great Men of Arya Samaj, the first person we are going to study about is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. You all have to say after me. Okay, can we repeat it? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, yes. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of Arya Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of Arya Samaj. You all have to say Arya Samaj 10 times. You should say, tell the spelling and Arya Samaj 10 times. He was born in 1824. He was born in 1824. He was born in 1824 on Shivaratri night. See, he was born on 1824. On Shivaratri night, 14 years old Dayanand went with his father to worship Shiva in the Shiva temple in the village. So when Dayanand Saraswati, when he was 14 years old, okay, at 14 years he should be studying somewhere around ninth or 10th standard, right? So during that age, he went his father to the Shiva temple, and that day it is Shivaratri. So he went to the Shiva temple to worship Lord Shiva in his village. He had kept a fast. So he also was fasting. I told you what fasting means. Fasting means he will not eat any food and he will chant God's name. Like Om Namah Shivaya, like that they will say. Okay, and they will say lot of prayers, slogans, everything. Okay, so he had kept fast and Kirtan was going on in the temple. What is mean by Kirtan? Kirtan means slogans, telling slogans and chanting God's name. So he had kept a fast and the Kirtan was going on in the temple at night. As midnight advanced, all other devotees were overpowered by sleep. See, it is night, right? So generally everyone will sleep, no? Everyone will get sleep, no? So what time you will sleep? Children, what time you all will sleep? 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. After that, no, even if you are watching TV or whatever it is, you will fall asleep, right? So the same way, even the devotees, no, they were telling God's name, they were telling all slogans, but they were getting good sleep. So they all almost asleep. Only Dayanand, the boy, kept awake by splashing cold water on his face. So, if you don't want to sleep, what you will do? If you are getting sleep, but you don't want to sleep, what you will do? You will go and wash your face, right? You will wash your face with cold water, so you will not get sleep. So this boy Dayanand also did the same. He went and no took some cold water and he washed his face so that he did not feel sleepy. And he also felt very hungry. He also felt very hungry. See, he is getting sleepy, so to get rid of sleep, he was washing his face and he is hungry also. At that time, he was praying to God Shiva. Okay. So that time he saw a mouse. Just then he saw a mouse climbed on Shivalingam. I showed you what Shivalingam looks like, right? How showed you what how Shivalingam looks like? See, this is how Shivalingam looks like. Okay. So during while in the night midnight he was no praying and he saw a mouse. He saw a mouse climbed on the Shivalingam and began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered and began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered. Young Dayanand started having doubts. Oh, now he got doubts on idol worship. Young Dayanand started having doubts on idol worship. He thinks if Lord Shiva, if Lord Shiva, no, who controls three worlds, right? Lord Shiva is the supreme God, right? But if who is controlling three worlds, okay, that is the sky, earth, and inside earth. There are three worlds. So the Lord who controls three worlds, he could not protect himself. See, he could not protect himself from the small rat, the Lord who controls all the three worlds, and the small rat is going up and down, no, and playing and eating all the sweets given to God Shiva. So he's thinking, see, he cannot control, no, he could not stop the rat. So this stone idol. Then he thinks, no, this is a stone idol. It is a Shivalinga. It is not it could not be the real Shiva or God. So he thinks this is a stone. It is not Lord Shiva or it cannot be a God. What he thinks? It cannot be a God. Oh, see what he is thinking at this small age. He is thinking, right? Okay. So Dayanand got a jnana, a true knowledge. What Dayanand got? He got a true knowledge. Okay, so he understood. So God and God's power is not in the stone. It is not in the stone. Okay, so he got a true knowledge on when? On Shivaratri night. Dayanand got Gyan or true knowledge on Shivaratri night. Every year, Shivaratri is celebrated as Rishi Bodh Utsav. You all have to tell after me. Okay? Rishi Bodh Utsav. Okay? What is Rishi? Rishi is no the sage, right? Dayanand Rishi. Bodh means he got a knowledge, right? He understood, okay, this stone is not Shiva. Okay, no, we have Shiva is a power which is there. So he understood, okay, he got a true knowledge. So that is that day, the Shivaratri day is called as Rishi Bodh Utsav. What is Shivaratri day is called? Rishi Bodh Utsav. You all have to Say this. Come, say after me. What is Shivaratri? Shivaratri day is called as Rishi Bodh Utsav. Okay, right. Then Swami Dayanand died on Diwali day. You all know Diwali, right? Somewhere it is called Diwali. In some South India, they'll call it Deepavali, right? You'll know a lot of crackers. You'll lit lot of crackers. You lit light on that day. So, no, on Diwali day, Swami Dayanand died. Swami Dayanand died on Diwali day. So, Diwali is called as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Diwali is called as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Say after me, Dayanand Nirvan Divas or death anniversary. So usually when people die, we all know will worship know our grandfather, his father, or grandfather's father. You can ask your father and mother. No, in your home they will worship your grandfather or his father or grandmother or his mother or father. If someone has died, every year we will worship them. So they say that is called death anniversary. That is called death anniversary, right? So since Dayanand ji died on Diwali, we call Diwali as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Okay, so you have to remember two things. One is Shivaratri is called as Rishi Bodh Utsav, and Diwali is called as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Okay, right. Now let's see about Mahatma Hansraj. Mahatma Hansraj. Mahatma Hansraj is the father of DAV. Mahatma Hansraj is the father of DAV. What is DAV? Now it is time. You all need to know what is DAV. See here. The full form DAV is Dayanand Anglo Vedic. Dayanand Anglo Vedic. Okay, Dayanand Anglo Vedic is a education system. So you study in DAV school, right? So DAV means Dayanand Anglo Vedic. Okay, it is a education system. There is lot of schools, colleges offering degrees in area all over India. Okay, there are Dayanand school, DAV school, colleges are there across India and also in the world. Outside India also it is there. Okay, DAV provides you with quality education equivalent to any school of CBSE. See, you study here CBSE pattern. Okay, the education you study here is called CBSE. In addition to education, there are also lot of sports and co-curricular activities. In DAV school, what we do? You study, you also play lot of sports, and we also learn essence of Indian culture, values, and history. Okay, these are all the very important thing. Every Indian must know and understand. Every Indian must know and understand the Indian culture, values, and its history. DAV could be an inspiration to modern Indian education system. Okay, so now you all know what is DAV. DAV is Dayanand Anglo Vedic School. So Mahatma Hansraj is the father of DAV movement. Okay, he was born in 19th April 1864. Dayanand, when was Dayanand Saraswati ji born? Dayanand Saraswati ji born on 1824. Okay, Dayanand Saraswati ji born on 1824, whereas Mahatma Hansraj was born on 19th April 1864, after 20 years. I am sorry. after 40 years. Okay, after 40 years. Right. So, the Mahatma Hansraj was born on 19th April 1864. Okay. Mahatma Hansraj started the first DAV institution. What is this? Institution. Say after me. INSTITUTION. You know that, right? In. INSTI, 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 TU, two, institution, TION, shun, institution, namely DAV High School, Lahore. In Lahore, they started the first DAV High School. Okay, he was the first headmaster. He was the first headmaster of DAV. He worked all his life without taking any salary. See, he was the first headmaster of DAV and he worked all his life without taking any salary. Once a student's father brought him 5 oranges because he is a headmaster. One of the student's father brought him 5 oranges. Instead of eating them, what Mahatma Hansraj did, instead of eating them, he sold them and put the money in the college fund. So he want to run the school. Okay, he want to give good education to all the students. Okay, so he did not eat the oranges, but he sold the orange and then put the money in the college fund. Okay, right. Now let's see. Then Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand is a bright star of Arya Samaj. So you should repeat after me. Swami Shraddhanand is a bright star of Arya Samaj and of India. He is the bright star of Arya Samaj and of India also. Okay. He was the first person to give the title Mahatma to Gandhiji. The previous lesson we studied, right? The father of nation. Who is the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi, right? So what is Mahatma? It is the greatest of all the humans. Okay, it is the Mahatma means greatest person, greatest person. Mahatma. So who gave Gandhi Mahatma name? Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji. Okay, he was murdered on 23rd December 1926. So Shraddhanand ji died on 23rd December 1926. Every year we celebrate 23rd December as Shraddhanand Balidan Divas. Every year we celebrate 23rd December as Shraddhanand Balidan Divas. Okay, so now this is December month. Okay, and today, no, all right, no, it may be any no month for you if you see the video later. So during December 23rd, we celebrate Shraddhanand Balidan Divas. Okay, so let's go to the exercise. Something to do. Right, this is match the following. What is Rishi Bodh Utsav? You all know what is Rishi Bodh Utsav. I told you to remember, right? Yes. When did Dayanand Saraswati saw went to temple? When was that? Shivaratri. Correct. Rishi Bodh Utsav is Shivaratri. And did Dayanand Nirvan Divas? When did Dayanand Saraswati died? He died on Diwali. So Dayanand Nirvan Divas is Diwali. And when is DAV's Founders Day? When is DAV's Founders Day? DAV's Founders Day is 19th April. DAV's Founders Day is 19th April. And when is Shraddhanand Balidan Divas? Shraddhanand Balidan Divas is 23rd December. Shraddhanand Balidan Divas is 23rd December. Okay? Right. Now, tick the correct answer. Who's the founder of Arya Samaj? Who's the founder of Arya Samaj? You all know this. Yes, Swami Dayanand. Swami Dayanand. Okay. And who's the father of DAV movement? Who's the father of DAV movement? Mahatma Hansraj. Mahatma Hansraj. Okay. And who is the and Shraddhanand Balidan Divas? When is Shraddhanand Balidan Divas? We just saw it in the match the following. Yes, 23rd December. You're right, 23rd December. And when is Swami Dayanand got Nirvan? Dayanand Nirvan. Correct. Holy. You're right. Holy. Okay. All right. And a bright star of Arya Samaj. A bright star of Arya Samaj. Who is that? Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand. And Swami Dayanand was born in year 1824. Swami Dayanand was born in year 1824. Okay? You all marked the answer correctly? So, Rishibodh Utsav is Shivaratri, Dayanand Nirvan Divas is Diwali, DAV Founders Day is 19th April, Shraddhanand Balidan Divas is 23rd December. And founder of Arya Samaj is Swami Dayanand, father of DAV movement Mahatma Hansraj, Shraddhanand Balidan Divas 23rd December, Swami Dayanand got Nirvana on Diwali. A bright star of Arya Samaj is Swami Shraddhanand, and Swami Dayanand was born in year 1824. Okay students, now we have completed the lesson, The Great Men of Arya Samaj. Okay students, bye bye. Stay safe, take care.